Right, and we will discuss with them which is official vendor and which is not.
Dr. M. Amprin Lyngdoh, senior leader of the National People's Party (NPP), stressed the party's pivotal role in state politics, emphasizing its influence in both district council and state governance. She stated that political success in Meghalaya hinges on aligning with the NPP. Lyngdoh praised the NPP-led government for resolving long-standing issues and advancing public initiatives like CM Connect, showcasing a commitment to the people.
We are doing a good job. We have settled scores which have never been settled for generations. We are trying our best to be people friendly. Where will you find a chief minister humbling himself in unknown territory talking to the public on CM Connect? Have you seen? I am yet to see one. So gimmick of political parties is a very strange phenomenon. I don't know whether mantras work forever. But I know every other election, every political party thinks of a new vision, a new catch line. So I'm yet to understand what will be the catch line for the MDC election. But one thing which is constant, you may have any party form an EC in any of the districts. If you don't get the blessings of the NPP, it will be difficult for you to achieve anything. That's the way the politics works.